one is for banana? Banana. Letter B. Yes, it is B. Letter B. B is for banana. Perfect. And then, which one is for cherry? Cherry. C. Letter C is for cherry. Yes, it is letter C. Letter C. Capital C. C is for cherry. Which one is for watermelon? W is for watermelon. Which one is W? Wow, perfect. Yeah, it is W. And then strawberry. S is for strawberry. Which one is letter S? That's right. It is letter S. Letter S. It is for strawberry. Perfect. And then, which one is for pear? P. Which one is letter P? Yes, it is for pear. Letter P. Perfect. Letter P is for pear. And then which one is for apple? Apple. Which one is letter A? Letter A. Yes, that's right. A. A is for apple. Apple. Perfect. Now we have 6 different fruits. Banana start with B. Cherry start with C. Watermelon starts with W. Strawberry start with S. Pear starts with P. Letter P. Apple start with A. Perfect. Okay guys, now let's color. Let's color with markers. The first marker is yellow because we have yellow banana. Wow, I love it. And then let's color the cherry with red. Let's color with red. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. We have a strawberry. Let's color it with red. Let's color with yellow. Yellow pear. Apple. We have a red apple. We have yellow banana, red cherry, red watermelon, red strawberry, yellow pear, and red apple. Perfect! Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next video. If you want to see my next video, subscribe my channel. And please like. Bye-bye.